our market update. We do this at the beginning of every seminar just to bring you guys up to speed how the Calgary market is doing. And let me just get rid of this for a second there. Okay, so we'll look at these numbers here. Total sales, we're doing annual year-to-date numbers because we're just first into March here. So we want to show you what first 2 months and a little bit of March has done so far. As per usual, our sales are down. This is the sales volume down over 13%. We've seen this number as a large negative number for a year and a half now. Sales have been falling because of the economic conditions have been changing in Calgary. But one thing that we have noticed is our prices are holding. You can see the third, fourth line down, fifth line down there. Year to date, sales average price is still up almost 2%. The average price is not following that decrease in the sales volume, and that just shows you how robust the Calgary economy is. To have our prices still increase as the sales volume goes down. Prices are holding because our detached market basically, and the semi-detached to a certain extent, is holding its value. Where we are seeing some decreases is in the apartment section. On the next graph, we'll show you a little bit of that. We've got on the left side here, these are the City of Calgary apartment inventory and sales.
Tim is exactly right. He's going to go through these stats on apartment sales and detached homes. What's really fascinating with the Calgary market is the new communities are really, really suffering right now. I mean, builders can't even offload their product. They're offering, we know because they come to us and offer us extra commissions. They offer incentives for the purchasers. And then we're seeing the prices. They can't even sell a lot of these properties right now. And then, you know what, the condo market is definitely struggling. Tim, what is going on with these graphs?
Yeah, you can see in the condo market, the red line there is the benchmark price. It's similar to the average price, but it is falling. It's been falling since the spring of last year. It's still falling. It's just the average price for a condo in Calgary has been falling, and we don't see a bottom to it just yet. Compare that to the graph on the right side, detached homes, you can see that those prices are rising. That's how the average price as a whole in our city is holding. It's because those detached prices are still going up.
Yeah, and what's fascinating about both of these graphs is that it will showcase going forward that there's deals to be had out there. We're loving it. We actually had one of our realtors in our office just sell a property, and she's holding off buying just because she knows in the next couple of months there's going to be deals out there, and she really wants to land a good deal. And she's actually doing either the burst strategy or another flip. So it's kind of cool that we see this day in, day out. And then talking about the detached properties, like what's crazy is we're selling, you have to get the price right. So that's one thing we're looking at. When we're pricing properties, you can't go off the city assessment. We have to stress that properties are selling well below the city assessment. And you have to compare apples to apples when you're looking at pricing your property. If the price is too high in this type of market, it's most likely going to sit. But we've had a really good start to the. But yeah, if the property's priced, we're moving these properties or we're getting offers on these properties pretty much in the first, little while. So you just have to, the seller's expectations, they have to be right. And then, the spring market, we still haven't seen, the great weather yet. I think last year it came a little bit earlier, and the market was a little more uptick. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, so that's our real estate market update for this week. We're going